Good morning. My name is Don Hadley. I'm president of Applied Vision Works, and I'm here to share another drive-through. And what I wanted to talk about was economics, macroeconomics, not just in North Carolina, not just the Southeast, not just the United States, but the world. And I think the big question at the moment that we're trying to figure out is what kind of recovery are we going to have? Is it going to be a U-shaped recovery, a V-shaped recovery, a W-shaped L or J, UVWLJ? The U means we go down and swing back up. The V is a sharp down, sharp up. The W is two downs, but eventually back up. The L is we've dropped and we're staying there. And the J is we're back up. So a couple of opinions on this. I've studied a lot of economics over the years. It's been one of my areas of study when I went to college, but then it's also been important for trying to help businesses predict where to go and how to handle things. When I go back to 2008, 01, 1991, 87, etc., I can actually go back about 400 years, and eventually things have always recovered. There's always been a lot of yak about it ain't going to recover, but it always does. So that's why I think the L is not going to happen. I do think it could be a U, V, W, or J. I think part of what's key isn't so critical to determine exactly what type of recovery it'll be, but how do you position so as it goes up, you do well. Also, if it goes farther down, how do you do well? Much like building an investment portfolio, you want to diversify and you don't want all your eggs in one basket. So you want some chips placed where if it goes down, it gives you a stronger foundation. That's not negative thinking. It's quite frankly just being real practical. But also, what are you going to do if the upside happens quickly or slowly? Put your chips in those two other buckets also. So to me, there's about 3 buckets, 4 buckets we're working with. And I think doing this with your leadership team is very critical. We're going to do some other elements of how to do this in future videos, but I want to share the concept with you. There's actually a lot of good reading out there about it. A lot of good books, a lot of good videos, but understanding macroeconomics, microeconomics, I think is an important piece to this because it relates directly to business, industries, our own personal situation. So we've written 2 books, done a number of podcasts, etc. My email is dhadley@appliedvisionworks.com. My cell phone is 919-368-9008. Thanks.